The second learning objective in section 4.1 is to find and interpret the measures of center and variability for a data set. The website Weather Underground tracks weather data from around the world. The following data is from Salt Lake City, Utah for April of 16 recent years. Calculate the following summary statistics, treating this data as a sample of all years. Round to the nearest tenth if needed. So I have the data entered in GeoGebra. We used the same data in Learning Objective 1 in the previous video. And so in the spreadsheet, the data are entered. I use this histogram icon and one variable analysis to bring up the histogram. There we go. And now we're going to use GeoGebra to compute these summary statistic values. So if you click on this summation of X button, it will bring up the summary values, and you can see them here. Let me move it up just a little bit. It gives us our sample size, the mean. It gives us sigma, which is the standard deviation of the population, S, which is the standard deviation of the sample. It also gives us the sum of the x's, the sum of the x's squared, and then the 5-number summary, the minimum, Q1, the median, Q3, and the maximum. So let's fill in the values. Rounding to the nearest tenth, the mean is 12.3. Now, GeoGebra doesn't give us the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring variable or value of the variable. Let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 13s, and that is the most. There are 3 12s, but there are 4 13s. So that's the most frequently occurring one. The median is given by a GeoGebra. You can see it here, 12.5. The standard deviation, because we are being told to treat this data as a sample. Now, these are the consecutive years from 2003 to 2018, so it's not likely a random sample. But since we're told to treat it as a sample, we use the value for S, which is 3.0, rounded to the nearest tenth. The range is also not given directly by GeoGebra, but the range is the maximum minus the minimum. So the maximum is given here as 21, and the minimum is 8. So I'm going to write that underneath, 21 minus 8, and 21 minus 8 equals 13. And then we can also compute the IQR. IQR is Q3 minus Q1, so we have 13.5 minus 10. $13.5 minus 10, which is 3.5. So there are our summary statistics that we use GeoGebra to calculate.